Well, hello my friends. Welcome back to the Goofy Bastard channel. So let me tell you, it's February 12th, 2022. I gotta tell you, man, the depression from not riding a motorcycle is real. It is real. It feels so good to be back out on this bike. It's been about a month since I've been out. And man, I love it. Middle of February and I'm riding. So it's been today, yesterday, and the day before. It's been decent out, but today is actually the first day I'm able to get out. You know, work hassles and shit like that. You know how it is. So it is the day before the Super Bowl, and I figured I'd make my prediction. You're not going to see this video till after the Super Bowl. So if I could show you my phone right now, I would prove to you that it is a 12th. But I can't because it's in my pocket. So, but believe me when I say it is the 12th of February, and I'm going to make my Super Bowl prediction. What's up, bro? It's good to see other guys out. When I woke up this afternoon, I heard a couple guys running outside. You know, heard the exhausts. But anyway, I will make my Super Bowl prediction in a little bit. But so the temperature's supposed to turn cold again, at least for a few days. And they're actually calling for some kind of snow tonight. I don't know how much. What's up, bro? How you doing? Nice wave. So I had to do this today or wait even longer. So hold on. I'm stopped. And I hope you can see this. Look. Oh, damn. Let's see. Saturday, February 12th. So I'm not lying. This is before the Super Bowl. So we're supposed to be getting more weather tomorrow, which, you know, it sucks. But, you know, after all, it is February. We have been pretty lucky so far this year. We haven't really had a lot of issues with weather. I mean, it's been fucking cold, but I've seen worse winters. And if it stays this mild for the rest of the year, you won't hear me complaining. You know. So the other part about riding in this time of year, and if you're from Pennsylvania, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. It's all these holes in the road. Like, you look right there. Oh, you can see that? I can see it. Hope you can see it. Pennsylvania is kind of famous for their potholes. So there's a lot of them. And right now is before the time they really start fixing them. Like, there are some horrible ones on my street. Like, terrible ones. Like, suck the whole car. What's up, bro? Like, suck the whole car in type of potholes. And you call PennDOT or whoever you call to Burrow to let him know all about this shit. And like, yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll get to that when we get to it. So, you know, they're in no rush to get to it. Which kind of sucks. But, you know, ain't shit you can do except be careful when you are driving, or in my case, riding. Yeah. So, but yes, as I was saying earlier, the depression is real. I know this from past experience, past years, and I think it's even more so now that I'm motovlogging. I notice it more because I notice that I don't have content that I can put out. So I do notice the fact that I'm not riding as much this time of year. So they finally got this bridge fixed. I'm all over the fucking place today. So they finally got this bridge fixed. And of course I gotta be a child. So the depression is real. I tend to be a much happier person when I'm able to do this. To twist that throttle. Just to do that, I seem to be a much happier person. And it seems like the winter months are just so bleak. So, yeah, horrible. So terrible. So, I'm gonna get on with my Super Bowl predictions. Dude, I am bouncing like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's like I have ADHD, which probably do. You know, they didn't diagnose it back when I was a kid. You know, but anyway, back to my Super Bowl predictions. Those who know me personally will know what my predictions are. Those who don't know me, here they are. I mean, my Super Bowl prediction is I don't give a shit about the Super Bowl. There's my prediction. I will not be watching it. They can all suck a bag of dicks. Once the NFL got political, I stopped watching it. I'm done. I'm out. I got no time for it. There is so many more things you can do on a Sunday afternoon than watch football. So, I don't care. I will not watch minute one of the Super Bowl. I will not watch the halftime show. I think I would rather watch paint dry than watch the Super Bowl. So, my opinions. And if you watch football, hey brother, have at it. Or sister. You go right ahead. Have fun. Go to a Super Bowl party, drink some beer, eat some fucking junk food. I ain't doing it. I'm gonna sit at home. I'm gonna get some Chinese food. And probably just like watch Netflix or some shit like that. And play with my dogs. So, that's what we got. Alright guys, so I guess I will catch up with you later. Until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.